Ever share the PDF and later realize someone reused it without your permission? Or maybe you are a student sending assignments, a designer sharing client files, or a business professional sharing reports, or you want your document to stay secure and branded. Adding a watermark is one of the simplest ways to protect your PDFs and make them look professional. In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark to any PDF using Systweak PDF Editor step by step. It's quick, easy, and looks clean on every page. Let's get started. You can download and install the Systweak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. Now open your PDF file in Systweak PDF Editor. At the top menu, click on Edit. From the available options, select Watermark. Click on Add Watermark. Here you will see all the watermark settings on the left and a live preview of your document on the right. Start by choosing where you want to apply the watermark, on all pages, even or odd pages, or just a specific range. Next, select its position, like top, center, or bottom of the page. Now type your watermark text. You can also choose between adding a text watermark or an image watermark. If you select image, simply choose the image you want to use as your watermark, like your company logo or a signature. And if you prefer text, just type it in the text box. For example, confidential, draft, or your brand name. You can change the font size, make it bold or italic, and choose your preferred color. If you want the watermark to appear diagonally or vertically, just adjust the rotation angle. And to control how visible it appears, use the opacity slider. For example, set it around 30% for a subtle transparent look. You can also decide whether to place the watermark in front of the text or behind it. Once everything looks perfect in the preview, click on Add. The watermark is now applied to your PDF. Finally, save your file and you're done. Let's open it. And here's your PDF with a professional looking watermark added across all pages. And that's it. You have successfully added a watermark to your PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. It's a great way to protect your work from misuse and at the same time make your documents look branded and polished. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials like this. And tell me in the comments what kind of watermark do you prefer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.